kwanza ya Nchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagiti showroom yeito nigo ere enkare eyuerengia na boigo ekogokia riso lyao chingaki ogoswasa ligakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwata chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwata no corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwata Dumerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na Isano na Isato babwata tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Gray Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yo akomenya segeka ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Mugaso gatano narimo mutinyi 11 mwaka w'ikiri 2025 mugasomya gose boirire byo mwancho muregere wa Getembe TV mugaso yoga umya nabo yiga motorero bweritskeri gari ya Hamis Ekeonga gosamaya Chinsa Isano na Ibere ko asenchira hiyo wenye ko Getembe TV ncengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboke ko rasomo na wimanyerio Mike West ko studio kabernera koneka buna chibichechi na Mario Gingo ikirachira asenchira eriye wekrano ikaranso ike otari na into ko mwero kumanyibuna abeire ka wateka korwa imenesko yorogongorwa gusi korwa sensemiri ya siasa nsemo yechsemi nsemo yobonche ne chinsemo chinde chinyinge buna abarike baitu bamangana bagendrete gutwariganira tuko chaka Ekeonga ritskeri ya Hamis Chinsa Isano na Ibere ngana yogo cyane musacha bwe myaka 34 gose 34 nigo abe krebiara nakogandra kurwanirira obugima bwaye magega yogo kagirwa gutachira omwana w'imyaka 5 nemo inse eyorekyo nigo kiabete ase chinsemo chakirina igwodia Ariana ibunge abonchari county ya Kisii chinga kechecho nigo omunyarukoyo agendrete konyora obobwene bwaye ase nyagitari ya Kisii teaching and refaro asaba menyi nawo igo abanyakenyoro korokirina bwesokirina kugikirege korekyo asibatebire umugo sacho yobw'imyaka 34 nigo abeire ne chimbwa chinyinge ase andake nabeteka nebaka kosiwe ase ebikora bunebyo
Korwa tirisa iga. Eki tirisa inere ya karole. Makanyora omwana araire insepi. Abekire nsaraire. Omokoreire bikori. Osukire nse mubona atini. Bona gasinyo okora garengera amo bogori. Senko nga yarenge koire. Bona timanyeti. Bona lingo iwe bikuro nga uyi mama nchiorole. Bona ko minyoka kanyora omwana gako yete yani kende nkeyo omwana agasokia amasombo goko amagora ari ganari mwana magota ikutabegetiamo amanyinga akobuga nga jejejeje ko umi bona nadwa buswa yete tukabugori omwana tukamubekere getamba nkere kende kwara kenabe gete pesa ni bona lina imogete karuora ronka bugori omwana tukamubekere getamba ikitukaija paka iyabe oikayabe tukasoka bori gunto bwate ekwerendesa kabakani ya ntubwati wakatotwe bidia ya nyomubwati saa mokwanda yali pakata tawo ona libasa tetende kupanga so mwana bako muligere lirende bakataba mwana asalire mwana abona tagochicha
mwana w'imyaka rengali
6 ara burende achichacha kokolera operation baroranga na kiegende bona tuwala to mwana mpaka iga ambulance ende baganya keresini igachicheka to bukoli kuruyabe paka tumuna twigete iganga Chinsa 10 iga
umuntu yare na kimo mumanyete boneke nyurabo
umuntu oyo goto mumayete konyora muno moibi arora kanega kyomo muroyo ta nande ta yani mba motigapi ya
siginjora so kire nande tari
bitaba akolire ga kibitaba ga akolire ebinge mono gakogera akyo tali mwanya bantene nyanga nonye nayo rochara konyora roche yabe ile mbotu kunane no to kutambuka igatwagenda ko nwagenda ku mwana oroche ngiara nkole
Manchu murigane ngana yogo ichane korendo murikeito samigende nagendete okwariganira roboti oru asinchira yogo ikrano una abamenyi abo naboigo eyamate yo mwana oyo yanyara gukwana togo tigana nayo abarundi aba bodaboda bari bare insije kyombe kya back as a sub county ya Nyamira South nigo batwarete umuyega bo gwasiore nigo batwarerete morobo wasero Ekeonga kyabo muyogo yo nigo oikiranitwe na barai koro ase county ya Nyamira obasegetete abana boda bo otibatiga batige okongusana na kwabo nari bagari ayo bakaba bagosegetwa bairigiche certificate koro achi stage cyabo buninchira yamo yokoneka bunango kora bare oborundi obu asenchira eri yo boikira nabo igo kweligeria engere yabo yakiraritsko iri banyare kwegendereria ase obugima bwabo bwakiraritsko muri kwito fatike disemba negita sensembeyo nagotwariganira roboti ru asenchire kubwati
abarundi aba bodaboda kurwase bunge ya West Mugirango nigo basemi webuna bariye certificate ejo chikworokia buna ingurwase getuogete bakorwa buna enjira enyororo yabo yokonyora obokonyi kurwase eserekari
Ekero National Government Affirmative Action Fund yekorwe chibesa chiaye qualification yentangani is the certificate certificate itali monto gokoroseria ogotara ngora osoe social service iga mwere cheste okwere cheste is I think it is 1000 mo qualify mo ligete chiminute igo mwabeire after 6 months chikoera mwa qualify konyora chibesa chieno korwa office ya National Government Affirmative Action Fund
igoro yengusanano yoburai nigo abana bodaboda abaiga basemiwe buna baise gutigara ase kyombekeria kya BK nigo baranyore amatunda amange.
For too long our riders have been misused, intimidated and marginalized, but today they have finally seen the light at the end of the tunnel. This CPO is more than an organization. It is a shield, a voice, a platform for dignity, safety, progress for every boda in Nyamira South, West Mugirango.
Kukwana ajaiga ekero kyomo yega bo wasiori CPO ya bana bodaboda abaiga kurwasi sub county ya Nyamira South nigo omowasiri bwechibesa imeye county ya Nyamira omuske Jones Omwenga aria eirabna nigo aria eira buna nigo eserikari ye county ya Nyamira ebwate meroberio yogocha gusira ebyombe aho egatiabo ebyombe bya bodaboda naboigo uria eira buna county nechikobokya kisako chiria chagure.
Governor buliwishi bodaboda wende mbele sana. Na mimi nikiingia hii county 2013, I was the minister in charge of trade and cooperatives. We opened so many circles. Nyamira South, Nyamira North, Kitutu Masaba and others. The circles ziliendelea zikafika mahali zikafifia. Na governor akona nia na mwongozo ku make sure tumefufua all those circles.
Ense moyende nigo abana bodaboda abaiga basabirwe korokia amaskani anene egatiabo naboigo baenekebuna inkutarida bare amobuna abana bodaboda
abatigere yuanjana mubwaterane mukorega simurwana ebintu murakore bya na birangusaba bodaboda gochase more lakini mono mukonyo mu bodaboda uri omoke orense utabwati kerogo nera aenjo ine pikipiki yae nera akonyeke arageri mwae na litora manyangaki bodaboda se BK nere Nyamira.
Ense moyende nigo abana bodaboda abaiga basabirwe korokia amaskani anene egatiabo naboigo baenekebuna inkutarida bare amobuna abana bodaboda.
Togo skabosio mokonyo umuraibu enso mokoro oyuboigore umuraibu ekiama kia waipa omoske Steven Kalonzo Musyoka nigo araire erumbi yababwatani bekiama ekyo naboigo abarai korwa ense moya ukampani gochia kurwengora yabo ase amate ya Raila Odinga kagokwana imya Kisumu Kalonzo nigo amotogire Raila ase okurwanera obusibore nokogendera bwensi ya Kenya.
Today I have come to mourn my late brother, Raila Amolo Odinga, with whom we went to the trenches to give this country a good, reputable, respectable, democratically oriented nation. The type of nation that young Kenyans have been looking forward to, and in fact have literally agitated. So I'm dressed this way literally to remember that I'm going to honor the father of maandamano. We resisted, and Kenyans are still resisting bad governors. Kwa hivyo tumefurahi kabisa, tumeambiwa Kisumu dala. Tumekaribishwa Kisumu. We'll pay a short courtesy call on Governor Peter Nyang'nyong immediately from here. And I think the rest of us will be moving to Bondo. It's about an hour to get to Bondo, and we ask that people drive peaceably and without any situation. We pray. In fact, I want to ask one of the bishops to come and commit this journey before the Lord. Hapa tuko na clan elders wa Ukambani. James Kilonzo is here. He's like the king of Kambani. So, and then we have also the Council of Elders. We have also the professionals here, led by Professor Mulubi. We also have the other Apex team, the bishops. The bishops are here, like Bishop Mwangangi and Archbishop Kituba, Apostle Musili. So, and then of course the members of Parliament, the former members like Mheshimiwa Ezekiel Mweo, Mheshimiwa Patrice Ivuti, Mheshimiwa Ndoto is actually the chair of even the wing of Ngema upande wa Mount Kenya South, literally.
Mujumbe w'ibunge ya kitutu cha Chesaf omoske Anton Kibagende nigo aburirie siasa kopye kwensemo chinkaki amaburio yengencho akubwatokwa igoro y'omurobero bw'obobwenia osha kaukwana imeye bunge enene ritko regoro Kibagende nigo ainegete buna shatira abakeokoria buya buna NHIF yagakoririe ase ekwenana obobwenia.
Speaker. First, I would like to be very clear that the CS is talking about an ideal situation. That is not what is happening on the ground. Just like Honorable Oundo, my mom has been sick for close to 10 years now. In 2019, she was operated on. It is called diabetic foot. And the bill then came to about 625,000. NHIF paid 270 or thereabout. On Saturday, the bill for my mom, who has been ailing again and had to undergo 2 operations at Metropolitan Hospital in Buruburu because of diabetes, the bill came to 1.1 million shillings, and the bill that was paid by SHA is 123,000 shillings. I shared that with my chairman, and we shared that with the hospital. And Honorable Speaker, today I'm trying to control myself so that I don't demonstrate the unfortunate thing that happened the other day. What I would like to assure you, Honorable Speaker, is that nobody in this country has done research on SHA like I have. Number one, on issues to do with benefits. The benefits in SHA are inferior to what NHIF was offering. That is one. Number two, the processes of reimbursing hospitals is systematically oppressive to hospitals in the sense that hospitals now are too careful on how they handle patients. Number three, professionalism within the ministry, SHA, and every other space within the Ministry of Health, Honorable Speaker, we have trouble. And this is happening, including up to the counties. And at this point, Honorable Speaker, I would like to request the Honorable Cabinet Secretary, when people raise concerns, please don't politicize these concerns. Seek to have proper interventions for these concerns. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Ciao tukire isaika ikomi na inya igore Chinsa Isano na Ibere tiabono mobaso manche murigere anara yokore Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere sinchira yo wenge toro burige Eurobia chikora ka Chinsa ikomi ntoire nega iga tokoletra yo mona yande asinchira yo wenge boyo.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo nguriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda onsialia otagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo chotembererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na wigo ayuwiga bwatachi profile net gauges unabono mbabwata normal corrugated na wigo box corrugated aswigo babwata boomerang ayuali ayechi gauge emeronge tato asama bati alia ayechi gauge emeronge bire na Isano na Isato mbabwata tile profiles alia oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile matte MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na wigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na wigo na Green ubutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchane warrant na wigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya Ouru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imeyumu chuligo musongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Welcome to Timi.